y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are actually going to be Thanksgiving grocery shopping. So we're just cooking Thanksgiving dinner here at home, and it's just gonna be me and Alan, so we're not making an overabundance of food. We're just making enough for me and him. So our list isn't really that big. Just got a few things on there, but I'm gonna take y'all with me today to get some of that done, and then we'll come home and do a grocery haul. So this is what my list is looking like. It's super simple, and yes, that does say nail clippers because I've lost mine and I can't find them. And I also need some kitty litter and soap, but everything else is pretty much just grocery items, and it's all just for our Thanksgiving meal. So of course this Walmart looks like it's jam-packed with people. I swear, y'all. Bless you, baby. I swear, y'all, if anybody up in here recognizes me, I am going to pretend that I do not know what on earth they're talking about, because I am looking ratchet. Alan looked good. He was mid-sneeze. Alan looks good, but I am looking rough. But it's super windy, so I'm going to shut up now. We're heading up in the store. Walmart be trying to block me. They're trying to turkey block me from getting my turkey. Y'all, look at that. 82 degrees out. Ah! Look at that sunshine. Windy out, these little bushes is blowing, and you can't really see it over here because they just blowed it, but there's like leaves all over. It's beautiful. So we gotta get the buggy out of the back so we can bring our groceries up in the grocery buggy. Alan got my buggy. Well, to be honest, it's my mom's buggy. I need to return it, but we're enjoying it. Thanks, Mom. Bye. There goes the turkey. Hi, turkey. Turkey and cat litter. Yeah. Successful grocery trip. And now we're headed to our place. Oh, why am I going blurry? Oh, Lord. And then I'm going to show you everything we got. Welcome. All right, we're gonna see how our little kitty girls. Let's see. Is anybody gonna greet us? Nobody's greeting us. Oh, hi. There's someone. She's greeting us. And then there's old Kiki. Hey, girl. Cookie, you better stop looking at that turkey. You're not gonna get it, honey. Not happening. Okay, so we just got in the door. I wanted to show you guys really quick. We got this litter. This is what we've been using lately. Can you move out of the way, ma'am? Excuse me. Purina Tidy Cats 24/7 Performance. Okay, so this is everything we got for the Thanksgiving dinner. Except for these. These aren't for Thanksgiving dinner, are they?
No.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna start over here. We got a turkey pan. We've got some grape tomatoes here. It's gonna be for a salad. We've got celery, bread for the bread stuffing. We got some eggs, turkey bag, Of course, I got some cranberry because you can't have Thanksgiving without cranberry. I actually got a strainer. Oh my God, surprise, surprise. I haven't owned a strainer in so long, but this was only 88 cents and I needed it to wash the lettuce for the salad. So there you go, honey, I got one. Got some nail clippers. Nail clippers in the grocery haul. All right, so this is gonna be the girls' Thanksgiving dinner. We got home style turkey dinner with garden greens and gravy. Look what you got, girl. Look what you got, girl. Oh my God, you can have Thanksgiving dinner. All right, I had to get some onion powder because I was running out. I had to get some butter because boing, butter is life. Got some small shells, got some popcorn. This has nothing to do with Thanksgiving. Neither does this. This is just for us to watch movies and eat popcorn. So we got some lettuce here. We got an onion. We got 2 bell peppers. We got some Irish Spring. We like to wash down the turkey with the Irish Spring. Just kidding, that's Alan's. We got a bag of potatoes for them mashed potatoes. Look at this, look at this. This is so cute. What does that say? 10 in Texas, Ranch Hand Bakers. And it's got a cowboy on the front. And then this is the turkey, baby. Butterball turkey. This is gonna be our Thanksgiving dinner. So yeah, this is our Thanksgiving menu, all the items, and we're gonna be filming the process, like cooking and all that of the Thanksgiving dinner. So look forward to that. I just wanted to give you guys a quick haul just to share this with you, and that's pretty much all we got. So now I'm gonna end the video. This was a short video, but that's okay. What do you want, Cookie? It's not Thanksgiving for you yet. You can't have that. You can't have that. Few more days, then you'll get that little turkey dinner, okay? Okay? Okay. Kiki sunbathing in the sunshine. She realizes she's too white and pasty. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!